Hello my YouTube family and welcome back to my channel. If you are old subscriber, thank you for returning. If you are new subscriber, thank you for being here. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss anything that I post. So it's rainy season right now in Liberia, but we are still building. We are doing the extension of the pig house. And I think after these first two rooms attached to the previous rooms, we can stop because we just noticed that we are doing the IM assistant for the deep little bed. There's water on the ground. So which means during rainy season, the rooms can get flooded. The first two rooms already got flooded, and so we dug to see if it was just those two rooms or everywhere else had a water line. And I think that whole spot had a water line because after digging, it was a dry day. The place was dry before we started digging, and after going 2 feet down, we found out that water was sitting there and it started to come up and fill in the hole. So that's a water line, so we got to try to find another spot. I'm so disappointed because I just wanted to do 20 rooms in that spot right away and leave it. But it seems that we're going to have to stop at the 4 rooms and find another spot to continue the pig house to make sure we're not on any water line. So we're going to try to find a better spot in this rainy season so we don't have to deal with it next rainy season. We just want to make sure we find the right spot and have everything settled, so if it's a water line we can get spots and find another spot. But that's what we're dealing with right now. And my manager seems to think that because the village is sitting on top and the pig farm is down, so the water runs down towards the pig house, and that's what causing the flood. But we're going to try to identify another spot to be sure that we are doing the right thing, because we do want to get the deep little bed in for the IM assistant, and I really do not want to have to plaster the floor. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know, because we are still in the early stages of building. Let me know your opinion, what you think I should do better, what you think I should do with the water line or with the deep little bed. Give me your opinion, give me your suggestions. I'm open. Thank you. Appreciate you. Enjoy the video.
I know the mountains get so high sometimes. I know the valley seems so wide. It seems this journey, it will never end. And you keep asking the question, God, why? I know the road, it gets so rocky at times. I know the heartaches are severe. It seems like life will never change its tide, but there's an answer to all of life. Here's stay with God. In spite of what you see or feel, stay with God. In spite of how things may appear, stay with God. It doesn't matter what may come our way. There is only one place we are yourself safe. Stay with God. I know the way you feel says give up now.